Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you have to share your computer with other people and want to know if it has been logged in without your knowledge, you may be wondering how to do it. How can you find out who logged into the computer you are using and when? In this video, we will take a closer look at this question you are wondering about. Let's start. This is my Windows 11 system. I will go to run. I will type there gpedit.msc. Okay. I will maximize the window. I will drag it here. On the left menu, I will expand Windows setting. I will expand security setting. I will expand local policies and I will select the audit policy. On the right side, I will double click on audit account logon events. I will select success, apply, OK. I will go to run cmd. You can see here I have logged in through the username administrator. I will do the log off from this account and I will do the login to another user. I will provide the password. I will go to run cmd. You can see here this time I have logged in with the username Hertz. I will do the log off from this user also. And I will log in back to the previous user, which is the administrator. I will now go to start. I will search here event viewer. I will open the event viewer. I will maximize the window. On the left side, I will expand the Windows log. I will select the security. And on the right side, if I go to this event, I will copy the details of this event and I will open the notepad and I will paste that copied detail here on the notepad. So this is the detail: an account was successfully logged on, and hostname / username, which means it was the local account, and account name was administrator, and it was the timing of the logon, date and time of the logon. If I go to again this event and the category was logon, I will copy the details of this event and I will paste the copied details on the notepad. This was the timing, date and timing of the logon. An account was successfully logged on. Hostname / username, which means it was the local user, not the domain user, and it was the account name Hertz. I will go to another event, and the event category is log off. It was the date and time of the log off. I will copy the details of the event and I will paste it on the notepad, and the event was user initiated log off. Hostname backslash username, which means local user, and account name was herds, and this is the event detail. Like this way you can enable and you can see in the logs of the windows which user logged on to the computer and when. That's it today, friends. Like the video, share it with the friends and spread the knowledge. Subscribe to channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.